Hey guys, welcome back to Shallow Artistry. In today's video, we are going to convert a net sari into a curtain.
So talking about the curtains, the actual purpose is to cover the entire glass. But a lot of people are preferring transparent materials and net materials, and I love net material in particular. So what I did was I just searched it online, and also I went in person to the shops and just inquired about it. It's very costly. If the material quality is compromisable, it is not that good, then you will get it from 150 to 200 rupees. But if you want a good quality, definitely above 550 only. So when you are going for a budget friendly home decors, then I don't think this is good. So I thought, why not go for a sari, because sari has 6 meters. And I got this particular sari for 230 rupees in Meesho. You can search it in any other website and see. So if you see this material, it has 6 meters and this is the design. I thought for 250 this design is okay. And it has 1 meter extra of blouse bit. So which I am going to just remove it. I am not going to use it. It has a white border like this. So my plan was to just use it horizontally because there is a gap between the main cloth and the border. I just thought of inserting a wire through it and just hanging it as such. But then there was a shortage of material. Because the material reaches till here only, there is a shortage of 2 inches. So I don't have an option, I just have to use it vertically. So this is how it goes.
So this is our window. It has a length of 49 inches and a breadth of 48 inches. For making the curtain, I have taken a sari along with its blouse. Together it has 6 meters. Now keeping the blouse aside, I'm going to use only the sari because sari is net material and blouse is opaque material. So I'm not going to use a blouse. My actual plan was just to place the sari as such horizontally and cut it wherever it was necessary. I just had to cut it at 48 inches and use it as such, but instead there was a problem, there was a shortage of 2 inches. So instead of using it horizontally, I prefer to use it vertically. So I'm going to place the sari like this and cut it from down. When there is a shortage of cloth, there is another option that you can use. You can use a blouse bit that is extra. You can use one portion of the blouse and attach the main portion along with the blouse. So that shortage will be added here. So here I'm not going to add the blouse. Instead, I'm just going to use it in a vertical manner. And at the bottom, instead of cutting it straight, I'm going to cut it in a zigzag manner. The entire sari has floral designs on it. So I'm going to cut it in between the flowers. So the curtain will have a flat top and a zigzag bottom. So this portion which we have cut it from the bottom will be placed like this. And the border from the side will be cut and stitched on the top of the curtain. This is a place where the rod goes inside. Now let's make this cutting on the cloth. Firstly, let's remove the border. We'll be using this border at the end, so let's keep it aside. Now let's measure the cloth. So 49 inches comes at this point. So this is where we have to cut it in a zigzag manner. Wherever you have an extra of net material, just cut it out. Once the net material is removed completely, it will look perfect. Time for the final touches. All that is left to do now is to attach the border on the top of the curtain. Now that is it is finished. We'll just hang it out. This is how it will look from the outside. We cut the sari into 4 pieces and we have used 2 pieces for each window. So totally we have made 2 window curtains using this sari. And by using this method, we will get only minimum because we have used the vertical portion of it. But in case we had used the horizontal portion, we would have got 4 window curtains instead. In this curtain, I have just attached the border on the top, just as I told you before. This is how it will look, and in case you find that this border is too small, then you can go for the other method like adding a blouse bit to it. In this curtain also there was a shortage, so whenever there is a shortage of material, you can add another material like adding a blouse to it. In this case, the blouse also will not go waste, and at the same time we will get the needed length which was insufficient. The top portion is plain, whereas the bottom portion has a lot of frills over it. This is how we have to attach it. And here our curtain is ready. By following the method of adding a blouse bead or an extra material to the existing material, we can make up to 4 window curtains. If you like this idea, give a thumbs up to my video and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel for more such videos.